your closets and wardrobes free of mold, super fragrant, and without spending much. It's incredible. And this is truly incredible, folks. You're going to take these little containers here and, using a heated fork, poke several holes on the lid, okay? I made 3 units, but of course you can make as many as you want. We're also going to need coarse salt. Go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt to each container, all right? And this tip is really cool, folks. It's one of the most useful tips you can make at home. So add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt in each container. Next, we're going to use fabric softener. You can use whatever you have at home. But if possible, pick a concentrated one, because the result will be much better. For this ingredient, we don't have an exact amount. Just add a little bit to each container. About this amount will do. Then, take a spoon and mix everything very well. It shouldn't be too liquid. It needs to be like a paste of some sort. If you notice it's too dry, then you can add a little more fabric softener. Let's go ahead and do this for all of them. Now just put the lid on and it's ready. And here, folks, what have we just made? This is an excellent homemade anti-mold. See how beautiful it looks? So, you're going to leave these little containers in places you don't want mold to form. Places that tend to accumulate a lot of humidity. And one of the main places is our wardrobe. The wardrobe tends to accumulate a lot of humidity. That's why sometimes you notice that some shirts or pants get mold. That's exactly why. And with this simple little container with coarse salt and fabric softener, you'll be able to solve this problem once for all. In case you didn't know, coarse salt absorbs all the humidity. So it's going to prevent your clothes from getting moldy. And the fabric softener will help to give it a nice fragrance. So, every time you open your wardrobe, you'll smell that pleasant aroma, which will also transfer to all your clothes. And to use this is actually pretty simple. Look, just take one of them and place it in your wardrobe. It's going to prevent mold and also leave your clothes in pieces super fragrant. And as I mentioned before, you can leave it in any part of the house, but especially in places where humidity tends to accumulate. But you can also place it in your cabinets and even in the bathroom, all right? Because it's going to leave a very nice smell. So, try this trick at home. I'm sure you'll love the final result. It will eliminate the musty smell in your wardrobe and leave your clothes smelling really good. This tip is a perfect 10.